Hello, everybody. Happy, for me, Friday afternoon. Hello, Denny, and hello, Jimmy. Thank you so much for the follow once again, and welcome on into Skelly Town. I hope you guys are having a lovely day, had a lovely day. I know I'm late, but we'll get into that in just a moment as to why I'm later than normal, but I dressed my VTuber all up for the special event, and that's why we're here today, because normally I would have had today off. But because it's Dead by Daylight's 6th anniversary, it's a masquerade party, I had to dress my VTuber up and look the part, right? Do I look good? You guys like my look? Got my pretty dress on, all ready for the event. Found me a nice mask to wear, and I'm ready. I am so shocked you are still up, Denny. I've heard it's been so sweaty for survivors throughout this event. I've heard that, like, to the point where Magic is bidding not to play. I saw her say that on Twitter right before I got on, and I've heard, like, I saw my Discord. I haven't got back on my Discord actually since I got home, but I've seen in the Discord everyone saying how sweaty it is, and it's not surprising, but it's a little unfortunate, I guess, that it's so as bad as it's been. Like, I'm expecting it to be sweaty, obviously, you know, a big event, blah blah blah, you know, all that stuff, but I honestly, not to the point where I've heard so many people complaining about it. I'm like kind of nervous now to play today, but I'm gonna try and see how the day goes and then just kind of carry on from there, because it's gonna be a short stream. Magic, hello! I'm playing DV. You're still playing DVD, Denny, even after all the sweat that's in the game? Well, I applaud you. I applaud you for keeping up with it. Oh, before we go on, I know it is that day over there. And it says I am here. This is for you, Denny, because I played it for you on Wednesday, just in case I wasn't getting on today. But since I am here today, and it is officially that day over there.
1, 2, 3, 4! Happy birthday from all of us to you. We wish it was our birthday so we could party too. Happy birthday and all your dreams come true. We wish it was our birthday so we could
It's your birthday!
That is just for you, Denny. Happy birthday. I hope you're going to have a wonderful day today, because when I see you next, it'll be later at night, but I hope your birthday day is absolutely amazing, and it's so good to see you all here today. 2 out of 12 done out of 10 matches. Oh, no. No. No, I forgot to turn music back on. No. Hello, Rich! You're so gorgeous, thank you! I had to dress the part! You know, it's a special event in Dead by Daylight, so I had to dress the part. This is my pretty dress that I wore also on New Year's Eve. And then I couldn't help it. I had to go find some kind of masquerade mask to put on my VTuber for a bit. So, I will be wearing this mask all day. If you guys still want to redeem channel points prop and change it for a little bit, I will, but I will put this one back on as the day goes on. It'll be what I'm wearing all day. You're so welcome, Denny. I really hope you have a most wonderful day. And I know we'll be hanging out with you tomorrow on Blossom's stream, so I will see you there as well. But I'm happy to have you hanging out in my stream, because I didn't think you were gonna be here. I thought I was gonna miss you because I'm on very late today, and I know it's super early for you. But I am on today later because today normally I took my mama to her appointment. I drove her there. I went and got dinner, drove her around a little bit. And I got home, I don't know what time I got home, but I got home, relaxed for a bit, ate my dinner, and I am now here on today. Normally, I would be live on Fridays between, I say 2 o'clock, but I aim for 2 o'clock. I'm usually on about 1 p.m. Pacific time, but I got on today at 4 o'clock just so I could see this event, see everything that's in it, and I will be streaming till about 6:30. It just depends on how much energy I'm gonna have by the end of this stream, because I've been up very early today, a lot earlier than I normally am. I've been out dealing with people, driving 45 minutes there and back, so we'll see how much energy I have, and also to the fact where we're gonna see what it's like in the fog. I'm gonna start as Survivor, but I have a feeling I might end up playing Killer and just getting all of the stuff and then just kind of going from there. But yeah, sorry, I was just reading through chat. So that's what my plans are today. Play a little bit through, see what it's like, and yeah, that's about it. And like I said, depends on how much energy I have around 6:30 and how much fun I really am having in the fog. guys how much I'll be on tonight. Because on Wednesday, and it wasn't even the events, I was having the worst day in the fog ever. Like, absolutely ever. And I'm just hoping that I can at least try and keep my horrible nerves, whatever, under wrap today. Brad, hello! Thank you so much for the raid, and welcome on in, raiders. Not nerves, that's not the word I'm looking for, but I'll get it here in a minute. Hopefully you have better luck. I'm hoping. I don't think I will. Just saying. I don't think I will, but I'm hoping. Because you never know. You never know what the fog brings. There's been days where I've seen some people say they're having horrible matches, sweaty matches, and all this. Then I get on and I have pretty good matches. And vice versa. I'll have absolutely horrible matches and a horrible day. And then I go to someone else's stream and they're having like the best of luck. Like, what the hell? Why did I get that luck? Or why did I get all the luck and you didn't? You know, whatever the case may be. We'll see. We'll see. Thank you, Brad, so much for the raid. Welcome on in, raiders. I will introduce myself. Hello, everybody. My name is Scarlett. I'm a Dead by Daylight streamer. Normally on Fridays, I play a variety game, but since Dead by Daylight has a special 6th anniversary Twisted Masquerade event, I am streaming Dead by Daylight today, and I'm also late because I had to take my mama to her appointment and also drive her around a little bit. So I am actually later than normal, but usually when that happens, I take the day off because I'm usually exhausted. And I am actually very kind of sleepy. Very kind of sleepy? Yeah, I'm very kind of sleepy. But I drank some, excuse me, just like my cat. I drank some caffeine and got some of that in me, so we'll see how much it can get in. But like I said, it's definitely going to be a short stream right up until about 6:30, because I've already eaten dinner and everything, so I'm good. I don't have to do none of that tonight, and we'll see. I will play a raid video for you guys here in just one moment as well. Penny Raid! Sorry, Dinosaur Raid. Hello, SK. How are you doing? They were hella bad. The killers were sweaty AF. I've heard that. And normally, like I said, you'll hear it here or there. Like, you'll hear some people say it's sweaty. Some people will have a good day. But what's scaring me is that I've heard everybody say it's bad right now. And it's understandable. New event. It always happens. Or I shouldn't say always, but it happens. It might clear up as the event goes on. Then again, there might be people who also are having trouble getting the special event items, and then it's just going to get even sweatier because they're trying to get it before the event ends. Who knows? We'll see. I will play the raid video for you here right now, though, because thank you, Brad, so much for the raid, and welcome on in. And then as soon as the raid video is over, we'll pop in the game because we don't have as much time as we normally do, and we'll get some Dead by Daylight in, hopefully. Hopefully it's a good day. Enjoy the raid video. Here, there's my ass! Y'all see? Dead by Daylight just showed off my ass. Please be a toolbox. Please be a toolbox. Let's go with the toolbox. Oh, you can have that. That's empty. Don't you dare come out of this locker. I said don't come out of the locker, sir! Or ma'am, or whatever the hell you are, creature. Oh my god, I never freaking saw that zombie. Oh my god. Oh my god. No! Oh, what? Oh my god! Where are you? Did you see that? Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Yes! Oh my god! I love it! Oh my gosh, Jane's butt stuck out of the locker before we even came out. Oh my god, he scared the crap out of me. Oh my god, I've never screamed like that. I don't even know what that was. Actually, right now I really need a flashbang. Because I need to stun the killer and I don't do very well with flashlights. Don't do that! Oh my god! information about flashing you. You didn't have to stab me for it. I'm sorry. Oh my god. Oh, ew. 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 Sorry. Ew. Ew. You're nasty. I have no idea who it is. I have a feeling it's Wraith. Oh my god! Oh! Holy hell attack! Oh my god! Oh my god! Don't you dare touch my butthole! And thank you once again, Brad, so much for the raid. I hope everyone is doing well. And Blythe, thank you so much for the gifted sub, excuse me, to Chris Marie. How are you doing, Blythe? Thank you so much for that once again. Whoops. I need to scroll back. I missed what SK said. I quit today after only 2 matches. I was done. Yeah. I don't know what to expect. I'm really scared.
I'm gonna die.
I don't even want to bring the extra items to the match and share. I kind of am like on the fence about those because of that. We'll see. We'll see. Thank you, Magic, so much for the shout out.
No! I lived! I beat that!
And Brad.
I beat that!
Woo, raid video. Yes, we get to start our day off with a raid video. How freaking awesome. I love that video. I love watching it. It's just so much fun to see all the old
Does your nose
old clips and all the good times we've had in the game.
It should be. It's just for man. You're morbid alcoholism in your face. You're shorting Java. Oh, you can get cock implants.
What? I can't be sexy? Listen.
I love listening to that clip.
if I want to. I don't know. Surgery for women.
Take it over.
How's it going, Blight? How's your Friday treating you? What is going on in Magic's clip? It's so quiet. The Sims clip? Can't tell what's going on. Alright, so let's get into Dead by Daylight. I logged in yesterday to get the 600,000 BP. I know you could have logged in any day to get that, but I decided to log in yesterday. So the little pop-up that comes up with the whole Masquerade thing, we're gonna miss because I saw it yesterday. But we're gonna pop into the game now. Oops. Turn the sound on for you guys. Love it! I love all the specialty stuff. I'm so psyched. I'm more psyched just about all the aesthetic things than anything. Maddie, will you stop going in there? Thank you.
You can send me as many songs as you want. What I'm going
to
closing
do is, shifts. I come to say hi on lunch. Oof.
What I'm going to do
well,
is
I appreciate you coming in and saying hi. I hope the rest of work goes wonderful.
Whoa.
Oh, it was a shout-out clip. I was like, what the hell is that scream? I thought it was in the game. That scared the crap out of me. Thank you, Brad, so much for being Rich a shout out. Wow, that scared me. And because I didn't see the clip play and I didn't see the shout out. And I was watching my game pop up and I was like, holy hell, what the heck was that? Oh, it was when my husband took over my stream and we were drunk. Oh, okay, because I couldn't hear anything and I couldn't, it's kind of smaller for me because it's on my other screen and it's a little ways away from me because of my setup. I was like, I don't see or hear nothing. I knew something had to be going on though. You do! You can add me on Steam. Anyone can add me on Steam. It's totally cool. If you can find me, if you can't, I'll send you a request later. No worries. But you can usually just type in, I think, my name and it should come up. I think. Because I have the same exact name on Steam as I do here. Oops, sorry, Maddie. I totally just kicked you. Maria! Thank you so much for the resub! I hope you had a lovely day and it's so good to see you. And thank you again so much for the resub for 11 months. Oh my gosh, it's almost been a year. Snap. That is so amazing. Hi, Maria. How are you? How was your day? Maddie, why? I know normally you're like doing other stuff this time of day, but... Alright, so... Let's see what's here. Nothing's going to stop this party. We balance the community goals in a Twisted Masquerade's home. Cool, okay. I don't even know what that is yet. If you haven't completed your goal, your personal goal yet, be sure to join in and do your part. Once you've completed your personal goal, you can safely switch to a new challenge. Okay. So there's all the new Masquerade things. Also, just as a heads up, if you guys log in every day, there's a list of what you get each day. Just saying. But it could be up to 450,000 iridescent shards, 900,000 BP, 35 rift fragments, and so on and so forth. So we're not going to go over a lot of the things today like I normally do because, like I said, I've got a very limited time. I want to get as much in as we can. And then also, there's a bunch of bug fixes. Read about that if you want. So I know I talk about all this stuff, but we are in limited time today, so I'm just going to kind of go kind of quickly through things. Let me go over here. It's so cute! I love everything! I love the special event stuff. Okay, I got my new thing there. So let's work on this Masquerade tome. Let's see what it is. Okay, we'll look at this in just a sec. Thank you, Magic, for giving Maria a shout out. 2 years, 9 months, 8 days, and 16 hours. We are getting very close to 3 years. That's crazy. We're giving you a shout out, Maria, because you're amazing. That's why. We give all the amazing people shout outs. Okay, so it did pop up again. So this goes from today, or excuse me, not today, yesterday to June 30th. You have been invited. A mysterious party planner has left an invitation for you to collect in trials. They await your response. Will you RSVP? Claim an invitation and hunt down your victims or survive until an exit opens, to unlock new Masquerade themed cosmetics. A Masquerade of dark design awaits. Celebrate the 6th year of Dead by Daylight with new survivor items and the frightful flan. Yeah, like Magic said, I don't even know if I'm gonna even bother with that stuff if people are gonna be acting all sweaty in the fog, but we'll see. It's available in the Blood Web. Hunt and survive amidst newly decorated generation hooks. That's my favorite part. My favorite part is the decorations, really. Visit that, blah, 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 blah. Snap! SK's been here just over a year. Let's go. Limited flan. Hooked is the plan. I almost screwed that up. Sorry. I have a theory about the thing in the basement. I haven't heard about what this thing in the basement is. I heard like something very briefly about it, but I have no idea actually what this is. I just know I heard somebody talking about a basement and then like it's possibly something about the Observer, but I have no idea what we're talking about. I just heard about it briefly and then I didn't really pay much attention to it because I was afraid it might have a spoiler to what was in game, but I don't know. Valerie, thank you so much for the work.
We're gonna ignore what just happened.
Well. Thank you, Brad, for giving Valerie a shout out as well.
Mercenary likes cheese and milk.
So
it was a little funny. I thought you knew. No, I did not know. Crying right now. I'm literally so embarrassed.
You're very welcome.
Bro,
when you see it, okay.
I'm gonna peepo leave right now. I should open the window.
Because I've heard a little bit about it, but I have no idea anything about it.
It was just slightly funny. It was just as funny.
Hope you're doing well. Glad you're lurking now. I am doing well. Thank you so much for asking. I hope you're doing well as well. And enjoy your lurk. Thank you so much for it. So like I was saying, we're going to not even look at the current tome. We're only going to concentrate on the Masquerade tome because I would rather get all this cool stuff in it than anything else. So this is the community challenge. All right. So I guess we'll start here. What is it? Complete a total of 10 million of the following as survivor or killer. It's almost done. I haven't even contributed and it's almost done. Succeed at generators, skill checks, break generators. Okay, I can do that. That's easy. We'll start with that since it is a community thing. And we'll start as survivor. If it gets too bad, we will switch over to killer. Because isn't it as killer, you literally just have to click the invitation, right? You don't have to get a 4K. You don't have to... I mean, obviously, as killer, you don't just escape because that's not the point. But isn't it, as a killer, to get the Masquerade masks, this has been in previous events as well, you just have to get the invitation, right? Because I know Survivor, it's different. Like, it used to be, sometimes it was like you had to actually escape the match. This time it seems like it's only if the exit gate is open and or hatch comes into play and not actually escaping. Yep, okay, so if it comes down to being too sweaty over on the Survivor side, we'll go over and we'll play killer. We'll find an invitation and then we'll just like have fun in the match. I won't even try for 4Ks or anything unless it's dredge, because I keep my streak going as a 4-0 dredge player. But no, I probably wouldn't even count it as a special event. But yeah, it's so easy for killer. Yeah, so if that's the case, I'm just gonna plop over there, grab some of it, the easy stuff for the killer, and just have some fun and hopefully make some survivors' days better in the fog if it's gonna be that bad. But I'll test my luck first as a survivor, just to see. Plus, I want to get my 1 pip, which I doubt I'll maybe get today. But then I can gain the bronze. Let's put a little tiny bit into Adam's Blood Web to get some of the anniversary items. I'm going to be putting on hold all of my killer, like trying to get my killer stuff, 40 and everything until probably the event's over or whatever. Because I want to look in the Blood Web under my survivors to get, well, also my killers too, but to get some of the items and everything. So we're going to just work on our way through it. Later on in the event, I'll probably switch to my favorites. But for now, since we're on Adam, we're going to put points into him. Grab some goodies. And I didn't do this off stream just to the fact where I just really honestly just didn't feel like it. If I'm being completely honest, I just didn't feel like it. Stakeout. Let's go grab Solidarity. Got some anniversary stuff. Oh, I can get both these perks. Let's go. We'll put just a little bit and see if I can get the... Yeah, some flan. Let's see. What do we got? Small game. Let's go grab that. And I'll get him up to level 45 because I am like one of those people. I can't leave him on 43. I have to be at like 40 or 45. Those killers sweat pretty hard. Hopefully it's just a day 1 sweat. I don't know. I've heard people say it's today too. Yeah. It's bad from what I've saw. Yeah, I've heard. I kind of expected it yesterday, day 1. Yeah, but I've heard today it's no different. But I can't say for experience because I haven't been on yet. Dead hard. Let's go. Was there another perk? No, there's no other perk. Okay. But like I said, if it comes down to not, like, I'm not gonna be sweaty to get these items, you know, the Masquerade masks. I'm gonna play the game like it's supposed to be played. But I do want to get some, you know, in a decent amount of time because I just want to see them. So I might switch over to killer and just be like this nice killer just to get some of the stuff because it is super easy. All right, level 45, what's in the web? Let's go grab all the goodies. Lightweight, I'll just grab it to grab it. Did I get all the goodies? I got all the goodies. Okay, so let's just put in some flam and see, just to see what it's like, and then we'll take some goodies here too. What is my challenge? Skill checks. So we'll take the anniversary toolbox too. I got some new perks, so I can use those. We gotta learn. We're gonna live forever. Prove thyself. Let's take out poised. Let's just put in dead hard, cause I don't have my other exhaustion perks that I like. I like balanced and lithe better. I just do better with them, but I don't have those for him. So we're just gonna put in dead hard, and we're just gonna go for it. We're gonna start with Adam. And if I don't feel like playing Adam or like the normal rotation, because we're not playing our normal way today, we're not gonna be playing the killer we survive against. I'm probably just gonna wing it, play whoever I want. But I'm gonna start playing as Adam just because I don't have really any reason why not to. Guess we'll find out how bad it is. We're gonna find out right now. For me, on my server, how bad it is. First game today, I had 1 DC because she was on hook for more than 10 seconds, and second game was 3 DCs. At least I escaped, right? We had 5 flans last night and the killer slugged. Oh my god. Maddie, stop!
Why are you being so annoying? If you know, Maddie is my cat. Oh, you! Scarlet the Chipmunk! Oh, this could be good. This match needs a squeaker! You DC'd Magic on a slug match? I don't blame you. The other day, this Dwight has a mask, nice. On Wednesday, if I hadn't DC'd, oh, this is pretty. We all got 4 hands, so this could be bad. We got a 5-4-hand match. Oh, that's right! We were gonna do this! Being a part of something this awesome with the community this passionate has left me in a true puddle of joy. Aww. That's why giggles like it, like the name. But anyways, what was I saying? Oh, that, if I hadn't DC'd in that bully match, I would have DC'd in my nurse match. Because it was the second match I'd been slugged, and I was just kind of tired of waiting around on the ground for no good reason. Oh, you DC'd on a sweaty pinhead match. Even worse. God, a sweaty pinhead. I just DC'd. I'm not. Oh, I'm done for the night with DVD. It's impossible to do anything. That's what I'm scared about. So either I play Killer or The Sims tonight. I say play Killer for a bit. Be nice to some people. And then switch to Sims. That's what I would do. But you play whatever you want, Magic. Whatever, when you get home. Wait, what time is it? Yes. When you get home, whatever feels good. Alright, let's see. Let's see what kind of day I'm having in the fog. But being that I am going to have a short stream, I might need a med kit. A bunch of skulls with a scroll on top, is that what it looks like? Oops, didn't want to do that. You like the mask for Jane? I love Jane's mask. I want Michaela's the most. You got Jade and Tricksters? There's a lot of good ones. I think there's only like, I don't like Aces. Just 'cause I don't like Ace, but the mask itself is a little busy for my taste. Watch, like I said, I ran like a decent match and I'm not gonna be able to find this thing. We're down to 1 gen though, so. I legit even can't find a gen. Found it. Well, I was gonna help Claudette, but where'd she go? Okay, well, I forgot my invitation. That's all that matters. That now if I can get the exit gate open. I don't even know where the hell a gen is. That is really cool looking, though. That is really cool looking. We have like the best opportunity to actually get out of this match, or at least get the exit gate open. I don't know where a gen is. Oh wait, I do see where a gen is. Just pass it by! You can leave Claudette alone! Nice! Claudette, go away! I'm pushing the wrong button! I accidentally dropped my good toolbox. My anniversary toolbox. I didn't want to. Alright, let's go. You go open that. I'm gonna go hide. Oh no! Not Noah! Come on now! I wasn't thinking about totems. I wasn't thinking about totems. I don't know what Dwight it is, but this Dwight, one of these Dwights, needs to go for the save. That's okay. Do I win though? Do I get it? If I got the exit gate open, I didn't get it open. But the exit gate is open. Mommy! You're gonna step on the power cord and turn everything off. Sorry, my cat's very like pay attention.
Into me. They're not gonna come for me. That's okay. Sweaty play, sweaty hacks. Hey! Why hit me? Why hit me? I don't really care. I didn't even think about doing. They're not even gonna come for me. They're just teabagging at the door. I was the only one that died because I didn't really care. I will be completely honest. I didn't care. I didn't think Blight was gonna come flying. Maddie! My God, stop it! Chewing on my cords and everything. So wait, do you not get the mask for the exit gate open? Or does it come on the next screen? GG, good luck on stream. I'll check on you later. Sounds good, Blight. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your night. If I don't get to see you, have a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful evening. Oh, dude, I did get it. Sweet. Okay, I don't care if I die. I don't really care if I die. The exit gate was open. I got a Jane's mask. Let's go. Well, like I said, I could have escaped there, but at the same time, I was just like, it's fine. It's fine. I'll go down. It's fine. You do next screen. Okay, okay. Just making sure. I thought so, but then I got kind of nervous that I read it wrong. So I got it. Let's go. I got Jane's mask. So because we have Jane's mask, even though technically Jeff is next, we're gonna not go for that today. We're gonna go play Jane, and we're gonna wear her mask. Oh, I love it. Hers is one of my favorites. Hers and Michaela's. I've collected all the masks now. Let's go, Denny. Now you don't have to sweat anymore. Just kidding. I have a list so I don't lose track of who I've got. Let me mark Jane off. Because I want to make sure I just remember who I've got, just so I can at the end be like, okay, I've got Jane, I've got blah, blah, blahs. But I'm really happy that my first one was Jean. I wanted Jane's or Michaela's first of my survivors. Killers, I want like Trapper, Artists, Hunter. Actually, I want them all, but those are my two I want the most. Oh, no, Trapper. Artists and Trickster. I love it. Okay, so first match. One mask. Let's go. All right. Actually, I saw something up here higher. Oh, Magic's food. Cheesecake with a pile of bacon. Oh my God, that sounds so good. I am not hungry because I ate dinner right before I came on stream, so I am not hungry at all. But that sounds good. That's a good dessert. Denny, did you get your spring rolls? Did you get your spring rolls yesterday or yesterday for me, I guess? Now I want that. Oh yes, the Hattie and Dredge one from the Tome. Definitely. Definitely. But GG, man. Nice collecting all of them, Denny. I'm proud of you. And that wasn't even that bad of a match. I mean, yes, I died, but did you see what I did to get out? I didn't really try. If I would have, like, waited at the, like, where I was and let let Blight possibly, like, think I was gone, I probably would have got out, but I'm just like, I'm gonna run for it. Didn't work. Look, I still have anniversary medkit from last year. Oh my God, I haven't put points into Jane since last year. Let's go grab last year's anniversary medkit. Wow, I didn't know it'd been that long. Let's go grab some salty lips. All right. So again, like I said, today we're just gonna kind of split points and getting some of the anniversary stuff here and there. What's next? We got breakdown, appraisal, level 3, borrowed time. I'm gonna go grab this one. Couple event stuff here and there. I savored every bite. Nice. I was thinking about you yesterday. Well, it was yesterday for me. I was like, oh, I wonder if Denny got his spring rolls. I'm like, sure you did. And I hope you enjoyed them. Ooh, overzealous. Oh, and dead hard. Oh my God, what a blood web. Oh, I missed the flan over there. Darn it. That's okay. It's okay. What do I want? Let's just go grab this. Basic toolbox. Okay. See what's in the next blood web. Overcome, exponential, up the ante. Meh. Grab these anniversary things, and then we'll call it there for Jane. Okay, we'll put in this year's anniversary stuff, not last year's. Or I could bring last year's and have fun. I'll just bring the toolbox. I can fight more. The blood web. It doesn't matter to me if I don't have them like later in the year. I have obviously played a lot of Jane last year at the anniversary time because I still have a lot of her stuff. Poised, balanced, adrenaline, BT. No. Let's take out poised and put in overzealous. Overzealous, balanced, adrenaline, borrow time with a med kit, or excuse me, a toolbox, and some flan. It wasn't easy though. I was so close to quitting, quite in a rage. I can see. My first match wasn't bad, so I can't really judge yet. But I'm not expecting it to get better. Just saying. You can get one match here and there on bad days that are okay, but... And like I said, I could have definitely escaped that match, but I didn't. I saw the exit gate open and I'm just like, I think I got the mask, I'm good. If I could end today, because like I said, it's gonna be a short stream. If I could end today with at least like 3, I'll be happy. So I don't know what to do. What do you mean about stream tonight? It does scare me a little bit when you see people playing though and they aren't using the masks. Does that mean they just don't want to play those people? Do they not have the masks yet? Cause I'm gonna wear these masks all the time. I love Masquerade themed things anyway. Oh, I didn't notice last match how many points I got. Yes. I meant to look and I got so sidetracked by if I actually got the mask or not. I couldn't remember from the previous events if when you do collect the things, if it's the next screen and not the very last screen. I forgot I was a chipmunk earlier. I hope you guys enjoyed my chipmunk voice. It's been over for a couple minutes, but I know Blade's left, but thank you, Blade, for redeeming chipmunk voice. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I forgot it was on because I try and talk slower when it's on because I'm still really bad and I haven't fixed it. But I totally forgot it was on anyway. Do I have anything musical on here on these that are like more like party-like? What pop is like? Well, we're gonna match. We'll figure out what pop station is like after this match. Okay, I will do a jet though. And I'll give that last match a little bit of credit, or at least a blight, because those gens were done really fast. It took us a while to get the last one, but it was probably because everyone was looking for an invitation knowing the match was almost over. And that's what's going to be really sad in a match. If I can, like, get to the end and I haven't found an invitation yet and you have a killer that's not going to really care. So, Pyramid Head. Because in all honesty, me, if I see someone going for it, I'm going to respect it. Oh, sorry, Yui. Is that a... No. Or not Yui, Fang, sorry. They went that way, so I'm gonna kind of assume that they're in the general area for that save, because it's a pyramid head, I think. Oh, basemented. Oof. Basemented. Boon. Ray, thank you so much for feeding Sally. Oh, he's in this area. Is no one going for the save? Oh, never mind. I think that sound... Oh, never mind, it's a clip. I was like, I think that sound has something to do with the game? No, it doesn't. How's it going, Ray Ray? Thank you again so much for feeding Sally. And thank you, Brad, for giving Ray Ray a shout out as well. Medkit for future. I haven't found the invitation yet, but I haven't been looking that hard either. Yeah, that's gonna be what sucks, is if I can go the whole match, because I'm gonna actually play the match. I'm gonna try and get the gens done and everything, and then like exit gates start to open. I don't have the invitation yet. And am I gonna get a killer who's like, yeah, let's go find one together because you don't have one? But as a killer, me, if I was killer, I'd be like, oh, okay, go ahead, you can have it. Unless I don't have it. Then I might do with that, was it a Wraith? Yeah, what that Wraith did to me last stream. He killed me in front of my green glyph and then stole it. Okay, I'm gonna try and finish this. Oh, I thought I saw a totem. Also, if people are being really sweaty lately, maybe I should be... Maybe I should be looking for totems, is what I was trying to say. Guys over there? Over here. Oh, I'm stuck on the wall. Oh dear. Well. Okay, he probably has that one perk that when he kicks gens, he's invisible. I don't know where the hell he went. Someone loves the boon. Well, I can't find a damn invitation, so I'm just gonna have to work on a gen. I really don't know where I've been and where I haven't been. Over here, I got you. I don't have a flashlight to flash you to tell you I'm over here. I don't do shit till I find an invitation. I'm getting to that point right now that I'm going to have to... stop doing stuff until I find one because I haven't found one yet. I don't know if Jake's looking for one too. I don't know if Pyramid Head's looking for one. I've been over here. I'm gonna just have to start doing a gen because I don't know where one could be now. I'll work on this for a minute. Aw, poor Poppy. That's like my cat. My dogs don't really care, but my cat. Brutal strength, probably. Excuse me. Brutal strength and trail torment combo, maybe. Really looking forward to the full anniversary tome Hattie outfit. Same. Like, Hattie's like definitely one of my new favorites in the game. I'm not gonna work on this jet anymore. I need a invitation! Where the hell have I not been to not see one yet? Everybody is kind of just running around right now. Do you want heals? I think they're broken on this map. Well, there's... Sorry, got excited, I found one. Okay, game can be over. I found one. I'm gonna clean this totem because it's kind of a no-ed day. Could be a no-ed day, excuse me. Alright, I got my totem, or excuse me, I got my invitation. Clean this totem. Look for a gen. I don't... Can you see on other survivors if they found a totem? Or excuse me, an invitation? Like, do they glow? Because, like, I can see myself glowing. But can I see others glow? I just don't remember. I've played all these events, but I can't remember. Oh, yeah, I can, because Meg's got one. Alright, there you go. I think he's gonna go for that save, so I'm gonna go back to that one gen I was working on. And yes, I'm gonna take the long way. But I was pretty sure you could see it on the other survivors. I was just unsure. Where did Jake go? Okay, someone needs to finish a gen. What are you doing? Ah, damn, he got me. Well, so far, we have one gen left, and nobody is doing it. I know Meg... Okay, someone's working on a gen. I know Meg has an invitation, but every time I've seen her, she's just been running around. This Jake is very, save everybody. Because every time I see him, he's always doing the saves. I love you, Jake. You're awesome. What's over here? Oh, no? No heals? Okay, bye, Jake. I know there's a gen around here. Oh, it's over here. God, I'm not gonna get out of this match because I'm too worried about everything else going on. I ran face first into that pyramid. I was watching Jake. I turned around because I thought he had gone to the side because he was right there, and he wasn't. Oh, I meant to look to see where the fang was, because I don't know. Oh, she's being chased. Okay. They have no charms on there. Oh, let's go. Okay, you better go after Jay, because I am on death hook. Nope, he's gonna go after me. Man, I'm gonna die because this guy can't go after anybody else. And I will admit, I'm not running well. I'm not running very well. Can somebody get the door open? Oh, if someone could get this door open before I'm hooked, I would love that. I'm going this way. What are you talking about? Girl, open the freaking door! Oh. Bye, Meg! I don't know what Fang was pointed at, but I was leaving. I'm on death hook. Let's go. Alright, y'all should be good. Alright! So the tunneling begins. That one wasn't too bad. I think that was my fault. But I did escape. I'm two masks for two masks. The last one I didn't escape. I actually will thank that pyramid very much for not hooking me before that gate was open. Deathbound, Trail of Torment, Forced Penance. So they were playing with only his 3 perks. If I'm being completely honest, I felt like that Pinhead was a little bit newer. Just like to the game, because he just felt like he was newer, but he might not have been. He might have been like returning or just starting as Pinhead. Or not Pinhead, excuse me. I always say that, Pyramid Head. But not bad, 2 for 2. I will respect that he actually did not hook me at the end and he went for Jake instead. Because that was totally my fault. I had a nurse that did that on me on Leary. She went after me from start when I got off hooks. If she... Elodie's! Let's go! If she was chasing someone, she shifted attention to me until I was dead. Yeah, I've had that a lot lately. Her playstyle was so weird. I've had that a lot lately with the tunneling. Like, as soon as I'm off hook, you can see... Or you can tell they come right back to where your hook was to look for you and you only. And it's like... You were chasing someone, just commit, you know, or whatever they were doing. And I've had a lot of killers lately where their playstyle is like overall weird. Yeah, I've had quite a bit lately. I've been like, that's just weird. That's a weird match. Sorry, I'm salty. I still love you though. It's okay, Magic. Lucky you. No, I, you know what? You have all the reason to be salty, and I will totally be okay with it. I understand, because this event, I can understand it being rough. I'm just grateful the 2 matches I've gotten. I died the first one, but that was kind of my fault. I just really didn't even try to escape that blight. And then that last match, I thought I was dead. I really did. Because I saw Meg opening the door. I was like, no, she's so close probably. But Pyramid Head, he's like, okay, I'll go chase Jake. I don't know if he was kind of going more for the slug. Or if he knew I was down and on my last hook. So he's like, let her, I'll come back and get her or something. I don't know. But I'll consider myself lucky. For sure. So we got Elodie's mask, so let's go play Elodie for a few minutes. I keep forgetting to look at the end of the match to see how many points I am getting. I completely keep forgetting to look. I just get so excited that I actually escaped or got my mask. Ooh, I like Elodie's. Elodie's I like a lot too. So I've got 15 of 40 done for the challenge. Let's put a couple points into her blood web to get some event items. Is there any perks here? Kinship? I'll go grab that. And darn it. Ah, yeah, some flan. What do we have here? Renewal, any means necessary, Medal of Man. Yeah, let's go grab Medal of Man, I guess. Oh, there was that with Death. I didn't even see it. Oh, my anniversary flashlight! I was trying to grab it. Fine, I'll grab a standard old flashlight. What do I have here? Open hand, bond, desperate measures. Let's grab bond. Grab that, and desperate measures, I guess? That'll be enough for now. Oh, I only got one toolbox. That's whatever. I'll use it.
Oh, I duped him so
Thank
good.
you, Brad, so much for giving Magic a shout out. Thank you, Magic, for giving Brad a shout out. One of my favorite May cosmetics right there. Alright, we'll put in more flan. I haven't, not to jinx it, haven't had too bad of a problem yet, but it's still very early. I think when I'm running, we'll probably have to do... I didn't get anything in the blood web just now to replace it. So balanced, borrow time, prove thyself, kindred. And I'll bring my toolbox because I like bringing anniversary tool things. Anniversary item things. For real! Let's go! I'm gonna drive. Alright, Magic, no worries. Thank you so much for being here. I love you, and I hope if I don't get to see you before stream starts, or before I end stream, I hope you have a lovely stream, and I will definitely be there lurking. For sure. I don't know how much I'll be participating because I'm getting sleepy soon. But thank you so much for being so amazing. Have a safe drive home. And again, if you do play Dead by Daylight tonight, Magic, good luck. And I hope you have fun. But if you don't, have fun in the other games. I forgot to open up Discord. I just realized it. I didn't open up Discord when I got home. Was that a DVD clip? Little will that Brad will admit he does have DVD clips on his channel. And thank you, Magic and Brad, both for the hosts today. Thank you so much for that. I appreciate you both. I didn't see the clip, it buffered. Oh, I didn't see the clip, but it was a Dead by Daylight clip. I just didn't notice which one it was. Alright, so okay, I've got 2 of my goal of 3 for today. If I get more, great. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna play each character when we get that mask. So if we go get a killer mask, I'll probably go play killer. I'm just not really in the mood to play killer today though, so I might not. I was gonna judge on see how the matches went. I love the Masquerade icon there, it's so pretty. 3 flans and another one. I forget what it's called. I don't know any of the blood web name items, I just know them by picture. So, of the survivors. I've gotten Jane and Elodie, which are two of my favorites. But Kayla's my number one, so I'm sad I haven't got hers yet. Watch, I guarantee you guys, because I'm waiting for Michaela's because she's my favorite, that I'm not going to get hers till the last one. Alright, good luck, everybody. Do you want to run by? Go ahead. I don't run at the beginning of a match. I don't care what kind of game we're playing. Ah, yes. I didn't notice. Oh, no. That Pyramid Head was only playing with his 3 perks. So, either new to the game, new to Pyramid Head, or was maybe going for Adept. Like I said, I thought they did well. I was really happy they let me go. Well, I wouldn't say they let me go, but they definitely didn't go for me right after they downed me. Alright, I'm gonna go work on a gen for a little bit. Is the game still free? Does anyone know? Is the trial still going on? I couldn't remember the dates they were on. Oh, it's a Nemi, so I hear a zombie somewhere. Shy Guy, hello! Thank you so much for feeding Sally! Oh, sip, sip. Alright, I'll take a sip, sip as soon as I can. Thank you so much for that as well. Oh, he knows exactly where I'm at. He's definitely got a barbecue. Oh, you came from that way. Well, that was not fun. He hit me, went right back for the poor person on hook. They're both going for it. If I can distract him, perfect. I have yeah, I have balanced. Probably going down here! Oh, big swing! Probably going down. Nope. Oh, okay. All right. No dead hard. Yeah, I was trying too hard for that. Who went down? Oh, come on. Who went down to a zombie, I think? Well, I ran him for a bit. I'm happy about that. Didn't see an invitation on my way, though. Shy Guy, that was for you. Sip, sip. Thank you so much for that. Such I'm just hanging out on here. I can take a sip, sip. That poor... I don't even know who it is. I don't know what player we got. I didn't run all over the map, but I am sad I didn't find an invitation. Heals? Yes. Well, this player's been playing since at least January because I've got the lunar event items. To Fang. I didn't do a lot of running, but sadly, I did not see an invitation on my way.
No, he's not! God damn the ignition setup. I was the only other person that had a gun. That's right, and then give me the gun, Mickey! God damn it, Mickey.
Thank you, Brad, for giving Shy a shout out. Aren't you coming back over here? Oh no, we're down to 1 gen! These invitations are harder to find than I thought they were gonna be. I don't remember, like, I really don't remember the 5th anniversary of it. Like, I kind of do. I remember the gists and everything of it. I don't remember if I had a hard time finding anything, though. Alright. Anyone seen an invitation? LOD hasn't been accepted yet. Well, everybody's running that way. I think Nemesis is looking too, maybe, because he had to have seen me, right? Ooh, that person's got a hex. I'll leave you alone. Sorry, LOD. I ain't helping because there's 1 gen left and I don't have my invitation. Oh, he was blessing it. All right. Could it be in the cord? I'm kind of assuming it can't be. I was gonna heal you a little, yeah, there we go. That's what I was, oh dear, I'm inside you. I was gonna heal a little bit more hidden. Oh no, there's a zombie coming right at us. Oh no, works. Oh no! He's got devoured hope! David, it is not worth healing you right now, other than points. Okay, this might be our first match we aren't gonna get out of. Cause 1, I haven't even found an invitation yet. 2, he's got Devour Hope. Oh no, and he's right there. I don't know which way to go, because I don't want to go over there where David is. Yeah, this is fine. I didn't want to go over there where David was, because I didn't want to sandbag him. Oh, I thought he was going to put me in basement. I'm pretty sure basement's right there. But I will admit this match is not going bad. This is actually a decent match again. I just have not found the invitation, and now he's got Devoured Hope, so we're kind of screwed. No! I haven't found my invitation! Unless I die before the gates open, it doesn't matter. But no! Claudette, thank you. It's not worth it. Ah, he's gonna go right for me. Yeah, go ahead. I thought he was gonna miss. He's got nothing going for him right now, so he went for the easy target. Actually, it's not even the easy target, because if he's got Devour Hope, he's gonna knock everybody down in one swing. But he's definitely going for the slug. But I actually really don't care if I die, because I don't have the invitation anyway. With Devour Hope, I'm not going to be running around the map looking for it. I'm worried. Well, I guess I'll run around looking for my invitation. If I die, I die. Is this circle of healing? It is. Well, I don't need to heal. I'm exposed anyway. And he's coming right for me. Oh, God, hit me. Oh, nice hit. I just want an invitation! That gate is 99. I see it! Oh, can I have? Oh, you a-hole! Look! He moried me in front of it. Oh. Damn, the door opened too. I would have let him kill me after that, but oh, it was right there. I died in front of the invitation. Sad face. I'm so sad. This killer's not even gonna say anything. Killer didn't let you use it. Nope, knocked me down in front of it and then killed me. After the gate was open. I mean, like I said, they were playing a pretty good game. I cannot say anything bad about the person playing that, other than just like, if I hadn't found it, I wouldn't have cared. But I literally found it at the end. And if I could have just grabbed it, he could have killed me. I would not have cared. I put butts. But it's okay. I'll find it again. That's why. I'm not like extremely upset because it's like I have plenty of time. I'll find another one and all that. It's just the way it played out was really heart-wrenching. It's just heart-wrenching. 57,000. Nice. Okay, moving on. If I would have got the whole match and not found it and I got killed, whatever. I didn't find it anyways. I literally, though, if he would have just let me have it, I would have let him kill me. The killer didn't even talk in in-game chat, but you can tell probably by that they, like, knew that they were being kind of mean. Alright. So, let's go back and play Jade. We're gonna kind of swap back and forth between Jade and Elodie since we have the masks. And since, I didn't find one that match, we don't get to switch. Let's use our toolbox since we've kind of got a toolbox challenge. I've done 16 of 40. If I can finish this would be, hey, I got to bronze! At some point I got to bronze. I've been so focused on everything else that, I forgot I was even trying for that. Oh well. We'll have another chance. What time is it? 5:30, so we got about like an hour of stream. And again, I said apologies. Like, today's stream is going to be really short. Normally, I would have been on early every third Friday. I am not home, but today my mom's appointment was earlier, so it helped. But if it's later, then I usually don't get home till like 4 or 5 o'clock. But today it was an early appointment, which was nice, so I could get home a little bit earlier and get on. But normally I probably wouldn't, just to the fact where I'm usually tired. And I could feel I'm getting sleepy, but I had to see this event. I just had to. Blossom, hello! How are you doing today, lovely?
Kick it. Kick it. Kick it.
Thank you, Brad, for giving Blossom a shout out.
Oh! Ah! Oh my god! Ah! Oh, Jesus Christ. My heart hurts. Jesus Christ.
I love that clip.
Oh! I lived for
How
both
are you
of you.
today, Blossom? Did you have a good Friday? Are you having a good Friday? I guess it's still kind of early. Reworking Ghostface sent me into the... Darn it. I was reading that. Oh, is it? Didn't they fix Ghostface's music again on this patch? Was it yesterday or the day before? Whenever it was. No, it wasn't the day before because I was on the day before. But yesterday they had the patch come out. And I think they fixed Ghostface's music to go back to the old one. Or not the old one, but away from printer. Because for some reason when the chapter came out, the whole Ghostface music reverted back to his horrible printer one, and now I think it's supposed to be back. Working on Michaela, the Midnight Grove event made Halloween 2021 the most Halloween of my life. Oh, I was reading that. I like those. I like those. They're cute. Those little like developer. Anyone working with behavior messages, I guess. All right. Can I find an invitation sooner rather than later? Claudette doing Claudette things, crouching and hiding in the... Oh, gosh. An Oni, alright.
Wreck it. Took all my super trank darts.
I picked up the trank darts in the wood.
You get speed on them. I'm stuck on a log.
I'm not here. I'm literally just trying to hide until you guys leave. Now I hope I can find an invitation faster. Last match, if I would have found it so much faster, it would have been so much nicer, but that was just very unfortunate. I will go work on a gen, though. And thank you, Blossom, for giving Brad a shout out. Excuse me. But I'm not a streamer. False. You raided me last stream earlier. You have to be a streamer to raid. Lies. I agree. I'll be lurking. No worries, Blossom. Thank you so much for the lurk. Oh no! Wow. Oh, he got starstruck. Uh-oh. That's not good. I'm leaving. 'Cause he's right there. And no offense, Yui. I am gonna wait for a couple minutes until my exposed status effect goes away. Alright, I'm not exposed anymore. I was gonna ask something. Oh. Is this an invitation? No, that's Jen. Is there like I keep hearing that noise every once in a while. Does that mean an invitation is near? Or I found one. Or did that mean like somebody had got one, so now it's being redone or whatever. Redistributed. Oh no, that poor Yui. Just realized this Steve's name is super spicy. I like it. Then basement head. Poor Yui. Well, unfortunately, I'm across the map. So, I'll just go hang out here for a minute. Finish my gen. And hope somebody goes for her. Nope, because he's probably coming right for me. Oh good, somebody did get her. How did not see me? I'm all sparkling and everything! Oh, now he's up there. I don't know how he did not see me. Oh, actually, I was headed that way because I thought that was the gen I wanted to go on. I keep forgetting I have overzealous because I'm not used to having Hattie's perks on anybody. And this is a map I'm not very good with totems. This is definitely a map I struggle with finding them. I know there's some like in the middle. And then usually like a lot on the outskirts for not some reason, but that's where they've spawned. Oh, wow, okay. He loves some basement time. Alright, I'm gonna go for it because I can see what they're doing and they're not going for it. I don't blame the Yui. I would not go for it either. Oh wait, is someone going for it? Or is someone being chased? Yui, don't bring her over here! Yui, don't! Oh my god, why did you bring him over here? Yui, why did you run all the way over here with him? And Claudette gave up. I'm gonna try and save you. I really am, Claudette. I'm just really angry that Yui ran him directly at you. I have BT. As long as he don't have no head, we be good. Steve, I hope you're opening a door. 'Cause I don't know where a door is. Sorry, Claudette. I actually don't know where a door is, so I'm just running on the outskirts. Is it weird that I'm actually super nervous? That's a rock. I'm like actually nervous. There's an invitation. Claudette, do you want this? There's an invitation right here. I have no idea where Steve is. He's being chased, or... Hey, I'm gonna get my mask. I'm gonna try and save Steve, though. Claudette said nope. Steve, where are you? Oh, I protect you. Oh, never mind. I came all this way to find you. I wonder if the Oni gave up. Not as I gave up, but like gave up because the doors were open, so everyone's gonna get their things. All right, there you go. Bye. I think that Claudette might have been newer to the game, but I don't know. Can't honestly say. Or she just said I didn't want to save Steve. Like I said, I'm still gonna be the person like I'm all about saving. So I don't care what event's going on or nothing. I'm still gonna try and save everybody. GG. I feel bad though for the Yui, because I don't want to say she was kind of tunneled out of the game, or if she was kind of like one of those people like that happens a lot. It happens to me quite a bit. I'm not necessarily tunneled. I'm just in the wrong place at the wrong time. Like when that poor Claudette was in the basement, I was trying to go for her. Yui like ran right for the basement, so it took me longer to get to Claudette than I would have liked. He was running, distressing, Starstruck we knew, barbecue. Really? Sloppy Butcher. He had barbecue and he didn't see me in that one spot. I got 84,000 points for that. Let's go. Okay, who did we get? What mask? I completed my goal for the day. I got to bronze and I got 3 masks. So I'm happy that the artist. Oh my god, we got the artist's mask. Nice. Okay. Do I want to risk it and go play killer? You know what? I'm just not going to. You know why? I'm having a decent time in Survivor matches so far. And if this sounds so totally weird, I kind of want to earn the masks. Killers, it's really easy. Collect the invitation, done. You don't even have to do anything the entire match. You could sit around in a corner and just watch what everyone's doing. I want to kind of earn my masks. So, we played Jane. Let's go pop over to Elodie since we got a killer mask. So, we'll do that. Oh, gotcha. Okay, Brad. We'll be here when you finish. But I got what I wanted done today so far, so I'm happy. I'm gonna go put a little bit more points into her blood web because I'm out of, like, toolboxes and such. And I will put my survivor or my killers on hold for life to get all the perks until either this event is over. Oh, I didn't get any like toolboxes or anything. Let's see what this is. Oops. Oh no, Mr. Entity, why? Fine, I will go put in something else. I'm gonna give Flashlight a try. Flashlight with some flan. I'm gonna keep this current build. Balanced, prior time, prove thyself kindred. I got, what is it? Succeed at generator skill checks. I got 9 more to do. And then I'll be done with my community. Or my personal contribution. So level 40 and 50 on survivors. I have every survivor I have, which is all of them, they're all at level 40 or 50. Every single survivor I have is maxed out. Well, not maxed out, they're up to level at least 40, which is to get their perks. I haven't finished getting them to level 50, Just because I would rather put points into my killers and get their point or their perks. But yeah, all my survivors are at level 40 or 50. Unfortunately, the 2 masks I have are people who are at level 50, so I can't even go any higher anyway. I think Dwight also is level 50. Ace is level 40, so I could get him to level 50. Yui is level 50. And Michaela is level 50, prestiged 1. Cool, yeah, I put a lot of time into getting all of my survivors there. Like I said, I've been playing this since last year. But I really only started getting everybody to their level earlier this year, because I only even got some of the chapters earlier this year. I'm too lazy for that. My Huntress is almost P3 and that's all that matters to me. Oh yeah, if you're a main, I totally get that. I totally get that. If I didn't really care about, because like almost all my killers are level 42. I have, I think like 6 killers that aren't. Not positive on that, but I don't have them all yet. But if I was gonna main like I originally started doing this. As you can see, I prestiged Michaela to level 1, and I was just gonna do that. I was gonna put all of my points into Michaela, prestige her, do it again, prestige her until level 3. But they announced the new rework of the prestige, so now I'm like, I'll just wait and then I'll prestige after that happens. But I totally get it. Yeah, if you're a main, I would do the same thing. I would put all my points into whoever I'm maining. Thank you, Blossom, for giving Rich a shout out. Popular map today. We were just here. Take the invitation. Actually, last match I found 2 invitations. The only reason I didn't take the second one is I wasn't sure if anybody wanted it. Can anybody see it? Oh yeah, they can see him. Yeah, never mind. That was a dumb question. It meant they're not like only visible. I'm stuck down here. Okay, I found out. Figured it out. I think they have corrupt. Oh, no, they don't. Okay. I thought I heard the corrupt, Hi, Hattie. Maybe that's her getting an invitation. I thought I heard the corrupt sound, but what must happen? Do I have balanced? I do. So I have to walk all the way around. I wonder if the spawns are all the same. The reason I ask, or wonder, is because I know where one was on this map already. Who's over by the exit gate over here? Oh, it's someone with a chainsaw. I never know. I can never tell the chainsaws apart. I don't know if it's Hillbilly or if it's Bubba. It's Bubba. Alright, I'm going this way. Because I'm looking for my invitation. Nance doing a Jen. I've already been over here. I'll do it, Jen. I wonder if it's a no, he wasn't in the basement, so I was like, wonder if it's a basement, Bubba. He might just be having fun. You never know. I'm like, this is like the worst game ever. If you have trust issues, I'm serious. I never know whether to trust a killer or not. Because we are almost done with Jen, so I'm gonna run around looking for my invitation. Y'all, slow down! No, I don't want to do a Jen. I haven't invitation yet! Well, I finally caught the Michaela. I don't know though. Game is so anxiety inducing. Would it be back in here? No! Oh, I finally caught someone. If he was really trying, I don't know. See, I don't know what that sound means. I don't know if that sound means someone found one, or if that sound means one has appeared, or if there's one near me. I think Hattie's going for the save. I'm running the outskirts looking for an invitation. No! The one time I don't want the game to end. Oh, I found one. Frick. Found one. However, I don't know if this match is gonna go well. She just needs to get that door open over there. That's all. Oh, she 99'd it. Oh, frick! I almost got out of it. They just, like, I hate to say it, just open the door. We'll get the countdown when we get there. He's gotta have barbecue. He's Bubba. And they're all running to the exact same spot. Oh, no, I don't want to escape. Excuse me. Those lantern sounds always give me, they sound like lockers opening and closing, do they? I mean, I guess I kind of do. Yes! They're all gonna leave me because he's right there. They're all gonna leave me because he's right there, which I don't care. Oh, you know, 4% it. We're 4% it. Oh, damn. Well, it's okay. Door's open. I don't know why he hasn't either picked up or got it. Hooked that person, but. Alright. Door open though, so.
So.
I am good. I'm happy. Oh, I'm out of drink.
You might as well stay here because that lane's going to merge into this one.
I can't even say GG, really. I mean, it was a fine game.
What in the.
But not a lot happened.
How, Sway?
Knockout.
How, Sway?
Insidious. Dear Stalker.
Someone want to explain this to me?
Oh, I depipped.
Somebody want to explain that to me?
I really depipped for that? Thank you, Brad, so much for giving Rich a shout out. Alright, well, I didn't get to use my flashlight. Never really had an opportunity. Every time I bring a flashlight, I never get the chance to use it. Nonetheless, not a bad game. Oh, sorry, music. I don't know why I can't remember that today. What? I didn't get a mask for that? Was it because I was on hook? When the gate opened, does that not count? I was still alive when the gate opened and I got an invitation. Alright, fine. That's fine. I'm just confused. I thought you got an invitation, or excuse me, I thought you got a mask if the exit gate or hatch was open and you were still in the game, which I was, but I was on hook when it happened. Oh well, like I said, I got my 3 for the day, which is what I was going for, but I'm just confused to why I didn't get it. Alright, back to Jane. Let's take the flashlight for Jane. Hello, Lunatic! How are you doing today? Couple more gen skill checks. You are all friggin' amazing. No, you are. You all are. I agree. Thank you, Brad, for giving Lunatic a shout out. How's your day been? Tits McGee. Gotcha. Gotcha. Have you seen the Hunter's Mask? I love it. Yes! It's so awesome. I love, honestly, all of the masks. They're all really good. My only one I don't really care for is Ace. It's a little much for me, and I'm not an Ace fan. But, yes, I love Huntresses. I love all. I mean, like I said, I love them all. My favorite's probably Michaela and the Artist, but those are my 2 most favorite that I play. Michaela's my favorite, and then I really, really, really love Artist, but they're all really good. Best community ever? I agree. I totally agree. I sent you a message for later. Me? I'm fine. How's everyone? Not too bad. I can't complain. Was able to get on today and stream a little bit when I'm not normally. Can I stream after I get home after I've driven most of the day to get my mama to and from her appointment? So normally I'm just like wiped out, which I am more tired than I normally would be, but super happy I could get on, spend the day with you guys, and get a little bit of the Masquerade event started. Check it out. I didn't check out everything in depth because I didn't want to spend the entire stream looking at every little detail. But I'm loving it. It's good. I'm really confused on that last one though. I'll have to look it up, but I thought if the exit gate opened, you get a mask, and since it opened, but I was on hook, I didn't get it. But I've got 3 out of the 12 so far today, so I'm actually proud of that. And then I got to bronze. Even more proud of that. Fearmonger, no. Actually, I don't mind Fearmonger. On either side. Huntress. As we're speaking of Huntress, I've yet to play No-Ed Eyes Huntress, too. No-Ed Eyes Huntress! I'm leaving. Toodles. Oh, Dwight's over here. Oh, there's a totem. See ya! I know she got me, but I'm by. I was trying to say I'm gone and bye. Oh! Oh, what a shot! That was a good shot. I wasn't actually really paying attention, but I tried to swerve for a sec and it didn't work. Nice shot, Huntress. Just saying. I hang out. It's okay. Those are 4K eyes. I have no way, but I refuse to use it. Yeah, for some reason they got a long. I don't know when. Probably when they started coming out. They got the name No-Ed Eyes for some reason. I don't know where it started or anything, but now for some reason it's like everybody says when any of the killers who have those eyes, they're always No-Ed players. Not always. Actually, if I'm being completely honest, half the time when I've seen them, they're not running No-Ed. But they got that name, and now I just always say that. Those are my 4K eyes. I honestly like the frosty eyes. I ran them for a while on, I think it was Trickster? I think I have Trickster's frosty eyes, and I ran it on him for a while. You don't like running No-Ed, though? Depends on my day. I kind of like running No-Ed if I'm having, like, a bad day, and I just kind of want to, like, you know, surprise people at the end. We hold still, Dwight. She'll never see us. But I don't run No-Ed very often. You know what's fun to run? Blood Warden. I love Blood Warden. I love it as a survivor and a killer. Because when I'm a survivor and it goes into effect and it gets me, I'm just like, oh no. Good job. I never expected it. Because you don't see Blood Warden as often as you would think. And it's fun to run because it's always fun when a survivor thinks that they're like at the exit gate teabagging you, Blood Warden's in effect, and they don't get out. It's like, sweet revenge. You had the Halloween eyes? Ooh. Anything Halloween I'm all about. Alright, is she coming for me? I don't know why she's after me. Ma'am, could you go bother somebody else? Frick, that was a really bad 360. Could you go bother somebody else, ma'am? I haven't even found an invitation yet, so I actually really don't care. It only sucks when you find the invitation and then you know you're not getting out of the match. I don't know what they're doing, but nobody's over here is doing gens. Can't wait to go back to work. There's so much I have to buy in this game, right? I have never bought anything yet. I plan on still buying the Michaela thing that she got recently. I just haven't yet because I'm waiting. But I've never bought anything with cells, but there's so many things I want in this game. It's so hard to be good. It's so hard to be good and not spend every penny I have on items in this game. Oh, please don't tunnel me out. I was just trying to get that totem because I have overzealous. I'll look for an invitation, I guess. Or a box. Or another totem, because I do have overzealous still. I don't think we're getting out of this match anyway, because I don't... Last time I saw, no one was really doing gens. Since I'm on Death Hook, and I haven't found the invitation yet, I'm just going to work on a gen. Finish the skill challenge that I have currently in the tome. Brad, did you just do what I think you did? I was catching up on chat, sorry. Did you just do what I think you did, Brad? Alright, if I finish this gen, I'm gonna look for a box to get healed. 2, someone to heal me. 3, an invitation. Brad is amazing. Brad is very amazing, yes. Oh, adrenaline! No! But my invitation! Every damn time! Every damn time so far that actually the time has come, I have not found an invitation. You won Scarlet's giveaway. What an honor. Congratulations. You know, I'm so good. There was a giveaway going on and I didn't even know there was a giveaway going on. That's because Brad's so amazing. That's why. Now, I don't know if this Huntress left me alone because she knew I was on Death Hook or... No. Or what? But I still haven't found an invitation, so it doesn't really matter. Dwight's looking for one too. No, I don't have an invitation yet! I will die in this match to find it. Well, they're over there. Totem. I mean, I'll save this person too, but... She'll probably camp because there's really nothing else going on. Yeah, she's camping. I have BT, so you can go. I'll die in this match. I don't care. I haven't found... I'm gonna die now, but let me get this invitation. I found one. Alright, I'm going to the other exit gate. I don't think I can get there. No, I don't think I can get there. And open it. I don't have dead hard. She might kill me here. Yeah, go ahead, be a bitch about it. What's the point of this? This is just rude. I can't crawl. There's no way I'm getting there. I got my invitation. I'm happy. That was just rude. I will admit there has been more rude people in the match. Not necessarily sweating or camping or tunneling so far, just rude. I think now I'm like unsure if I'm gonna get this, but I'm not gonna say if they're probably gone, so I'm not really gonna say GG. Well, the Meg's still around. I'll say GG. It was a fine game. It was a fine game. Like I said, just rude. Just rude. She was not letting me go. There was no way I was gonna get to the other door to open it, because I thought that would be a good idea. Just go open the other door. I got the Tricksters match. I don't care. But my plan was I was going to go to the other door, open it, because I had a feeling she was camping that door. But I saw the timer and knew I wasn't going to be able to, 1, run there, 2, open it, and get out. So I just took the chance, ran to the door, and she decided to just down me. And there was no way crawling that I was going to make it to that door. Or the exit, the actual like exit out of the game, because the time was already out. But it's okay. I'm actually not. I mean, I'm rude to not let me escape and get extra points. She didn't get the kill points. I don't know why she didn't just hook me, because you would have got extra points for hooking and actually getting a 1K out of that. But whatever. Alright, so we haven't got another Survivor one, so let's just go back and forth between Elodie and her until we get another one. If we get another one. But still, GG, it was a fun match. I can't complain about it. If I'm being completely honest, I can't complain. More flan, more flan. Alright, let's go. Got a couple more matches in us, and then we'll probably have to call it. Brad doesn't like to take the credit. He doesn't a lot of the time. But he deserves all the credit, just saying. I love this new Nia outfit, too, that came out. I didn't get to look at it very closely until Magic actually pointed it out. But she's got this adorable butterfly on the back. I did not notice that until she pointed it out. So I got 2 and 2. 2 killers, 2 survivors. If I can pip twice. My main thing now, oh Jesus, sorry, dropped something. My main thing now is I want to finish this personal contribution challenge, and then I'll probably end stream there. Flan! Let's go! Lots of flan. Exactly. That is such a good point, though, Brad. I completely 100% agree with you. You never do it for credit because you do it just because we're friends. And you can't take money with you, so why not use it while you got it? I completely agree with you. But as a friend, we thank you for being amazing. Even though this was a short stream, I've had fun. I've had a lot of fun. I was very scared. Very, very, very scared coming into the vlog today after hearing what everybody was saying. Not getting a very big map variety today, but overall I've had fun, and even though like said the huntress was just rude and didn't let me go, it's all good. I got the mask. That's all I'm looking for right now, especially today. No, leave me alone. Leave me alone. Mr. Trapper, no. Nobody's over here. You going over to Shacked? I ain't doing that, Jen. It would just be really nice to find an invitation very fast. Oh, it's Trapper. I better not be just running around all willy-nilly. Invitation. There we go. Find this sooner rather than later, and then I don't have to worry about... What the hell? Who popped a gen already? I've done 2 totems and an invitation, and a gen is done. How many skill checks did I need? 6? So I'm gonna plot myself on a gen now. Oh, Fred, the flag. The flag? The lag. There's Yui. No? No? Yeah, yes? You want those? Oh. Oh, you want me step in this? Like Can I disarm you? Here, I'll disarm it. Do you want me to step in it? Here, you want me to step it like this? No? I think he's gonna have fun. I thought maybe he had a daily, so I was just gonna step in it for him. I like your mask. I can't get out. Nobody's helping me. Okay. 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 He's a nice trapper. I think he wants us to step in his traps, because I bet you he has a trapper daily. I'm doing the gen because I want the skill checks. I should go look at my dailies. I'm playing against a TTVer! I just realized! Oh my gosh, I'm sorry. Mariska 1982. Nice trapper. He either has a daily, or he's just farming, or he's got no end and he's gonna kill us all in the end. I just want skill checks, that's all I want. I should have been counting, and I wasn't. I don't know how many I've done. I took that person down, though. I'm coming for the flashlight save! I don't know where they are, though. No, come back! Come back! Come back! Let me flashlight you! Oh, he's going to basement. Here, I'm gonna run toward this person over here. Ma'am! Can I have heels? Ah, I don't know where she is. Alright, Trapper wants to have fun, so I'm gonna go have fun with him. I lost basement though, where is it? I'm coming! coal. I found it. Yeah, go ahead. I was waiting for you to hit me. Yes, Mariska is the hottie. Oh, oh, that's what we were talking about, the basement! Yo, I hadn't gone to the basement yet. Oh. I'll struggle. Oh, he picked me up. Yo! That's the first time I've seen the basement thing. You can put me on hook. I'm only on my first one. Oh. Here, let me heal you. Let me heal you. This is a nice trapper. See, this is, you'll get this a lot in usually games that have extra BP. Thank you. Because people are gonna farm for the BP. I hope he's keeping count. All right. Oh, I'm on, you can hook me. Come on, hold still, got it! Okay, now you can take me out. Okay, okay. Oh, here, let me heal you. Okay, I'll pick her up then. All right, let me go get the. Oh, here, I got her then. I got her then. We're all just hanging out in the basement, having a good old time. I'm the only one not on death hook, so. Oops, sorry. Okay. Okay. You can hook me. I'm on. You can hook me. Hook me. I'm on death. I'm not on death hook. Or you can heal me. Oh, go on, go on, go on. I'm not on death hook. You can do this, and then I'm gonna leave if you don't mind, because I would like to, you know, escape with my invitation. What is it? I haven't been to a basement. It's like a guy in a masquerade mask pointing at something, it looks like. With the balloons and pictures and everything. I can't really look very closely because I'm a little ways away from it. I mean, no offense. I do love doing this. But this is gonna take a long time. If we don't go do at least 2 gens. I can't step in it. It won't let me step in it. There we go. It wouldn't let me step in it. Everybody was in my way. This is pure entertainment. This is what I love Dead by Daylight. You just get someone who just does not care. He knows everybody's on, I think, death hook. Okay. My only problem with this is it's gonna take too long, and I do want to kind of move on. He's kind of putting him in the corners now, so I kind of think he might be done. I want to look at this guy real quick. it. Oh. Here, I got this. Don't worry, I got this. Oh! She got out. Oh, no. I got it. You know what? In this instance, if he, in the end, slugged us all, Hook doesn't kill us, I would not actually care. Even though, yes, I have my invitation. Yes, I could escape, but... Is he done? Oh, maybe not. Oh, like I said, I'll go for it. More points, the better. Strapper. I'm like, I just had the girl in his hand and he just walks over to his trap. It's a basement party. It is. We're having a good old time. This could last forever though, and I don't know point-wise. I think I've maxed out on everything, so I'll step in it. And like I said, in this instance, I wouldn't care if he killed us. Yeah, so it's a guy with a masquerade mask in a white sheet with balloons and everything. Holding balloons. He doesn't... he's not pointing, he just got balloons. Poor Trapper. But I have maxed out on points, so... Oh, I was gonna disable it. Oh! That's not what I meant to do, sorry. I was trying to heal her. He's like, don't touch my traps. Everybody's got self-care, though. No offense. Can we go? Can we go do gens? Because I kind of do want to continue on my day. I kind of do want to continue on my day now. I'm pretty sure I have maxed everything. And I'm getting kind of sleepy, so I would like to go. I gotcha. I was like disarming it, and then he walked toward me, and I undisarmed it. You see nothing. I gotta take it while I can. Oh, I can't heal. I got it. Oh, here, wait. I heal you, you heal me, Hattie. Yeah, here in a second though, I am gonna like take off, just to the fact where I've maxed out on everything, so no offense, I am kind of ready to go. I actually don't know where Michaela went. Oh, is she in there? If this was a real game, we would be in so much trouble for ratting her out. What's over there? Alright, well, I'm going. I had fun, but I am getting kind of sleepy and I am streaming and I would like to continue on my day. But I appreciate that he can kill me actually for like if he's mad that I left, but I am just kind of tired of doing the basement party thing. But I had a blast and I appreciate the Trapper being so fun about that because you know what? Who knows? We could have been all having a really bad day, really bad matches. They can all have fun. I'm gonna go do my gens. But yes, if anybody hasn't seen the basement thing and you get a nice Trapper or a nice killer, run down to a basement anywhere. I don't know if they're in all basements. I kind of assume they are. And check it out because that was creepy. I don't know who that is. My guess would be like the observer, maybe? He's been missing. I don't know. How long were we doing that for? Did anyone notice? Oh, sorry. Reading chat. A cornfield behind him, and it reminds me of Children of the Corn. I've actually never seen Children of the Corn. If I'm being completely honest, I've never seen it yet. Everybody came out of the basement. Everybody's like, oh, Elodie left. I guess I'll go too. Like I said, I am live, so, love the basement party. I appreciate Trapper so much. Because that was fun. I will totally admit that was fun. But I need to finish my challenge, and I need to possibly get off here soon because I'm getting sleepy. Me eyes are starting to hurt. I love your dress today. Thank you. I had to dress up for the occasion. You know, masquerade party. Had to put on a pretty dress. And then I had to find a masquerade mask to wear too. Hello, Mr. Trapper. Oh, does he want us to continue with the... Does he want us to continue with the traps? Why are you pointing at me? No, I'm finishing this gen. I'm finishing this gen. I'm sorry. Hey, hold still, hold still. Oh, oh, my flashlight's dead! No, my flashlight is dead! Oh, I got her. My flashlight died though. I will not count that as my very first flashlight save, even though technically it was, but Trapper let me, so I'm not gonna count that as a successful one. Did Hattie use her flashlight too? Oh, no, she still got hers. I love you, Trapper, but I do want to go. I have maxed out, I think, everything that I could possibly max out. He's running somewhere. Is he running to the door? I think he is. Oh, rude. we all stare at it. Who wants to open it? My flashlight's dead. You want me to open it? Alright. Thank you! Oh, you guys gonna do one more? I'm leaving. Bye. I appreciate it so much! I really do. But I'm getting kind of tired. And I just do kind of want to move on to the next match, because that was fun. I appreciate that so much. Try to leave me already. I know it was a short day. It was a short day today, but woo, double pit. Okay, you know what? That's got to be the last match of the day, only because I got 121,000 points. They haven't left yet. I want to say GG, thank you, but I don't know if they're gonna leave right away. I double pipped. Damn, if I would have like stayed a little longer, I might have been able to get that one, but it's okay. And everything. I'm gonna see what they're doing. If they're just kind of doing that. Kinda. I'm gonna hang around for a second. Flashlight save is true. A flashlight save is flashlight save. I did get it. I got better at the aiming and everything. But I want to get one where like the killer's not just standing there. But it was a good flashlight save. He was only playing with agitation. I'll be nice. I'll say thank you for the basement party. I had the most points. Let's go. Thank you for the farming. Yep, that too. Oh, that was the killer. Thank you for the farming. Basement party is a fun party when you don't get killed. Very, very, very good point. Yes. Basement party in the way of, yeah, when all four of you are on hook and dying, that's not a fun party. But this one was a fun party. Everyone was so nice, too. The only person who couldn't talk was the Michaela, which is unfortunate because she was console, but everybody else could talk and everyone else was very nice. And that was really awesome that we got a farmer. And also, he was only playing with agitation. He was, like at the beginning of the game, I thought he was going to be one of those, like, you know, I have trust issues in this game where all of a sudden they got no one and they just take you out. But no, he was actually a genuinely nice killer and I loved it. I'm gonna go in with no perks and pray I get a group of farmers. Do it. Do it. You never know. You never, ever know. Sometimes you could go into a match. Oh, I got Yui's mask. Nice. Sometimes you'll go into a match to farm, and you'll get the spread like that one. The trapper wanted to farm, and all of us understood. And then sometimes you go in a match to farm, and the other survivors just either don't want to or they don't understand. I've gotten some that don't understand what I'm doing. Like, I'll sit there, hit a gen 100 times to get them to just do it, and then, like, hopefully they'll get off it, I'll kick it and do farming that way, and the survivor just takes off out of nowhere, because they're scared, I guess. I don't know. Alright. I think I kind of want to play one more match, but I don't know. That match is so good to end on, and every time I say one more match, I end up getting screwed over. So, I think I will call it there, but let's just check out some of the stuff I got today. Because we saw, let me mark it off because I'm just keeping track because I'm going to forget in a few days. So not bad. I was scared to come into the fog today because everybody said it was super sweaty, super campy, super tunneling and everything. I really didn't encounter any of that. Nobody tunneled me. Nobody camped me. I got rude players, like, you know, I died in front of an invitation and then the huntress didn't let me survive. And just let me die on the ground in the end game. But I wouldn't even consider that really that bad. I mean, it is what it is. It was rude, but at the same time, it's still a game. It's not that big a deal. But so I got Jane's, Elodie's, Yui's, Artists, and Trickster's masks. So not bad. Not bad. I almost got half of the match, or half of the masks today, so I'll consider that a win. Let me go over to this. So we cannot move on here. Oh, gotcha. Okay, so we cannot move on here until this community challenge is done. But we've done our part, so it's all good. What do I have to do to get this Hattie outfit? Finish repairing 3 anniversary gens. Escape the trial as Hattie. Okay, can do. Best DVD Jumpscare, hello! Yeah, I've had that a few games. What's that? Campers, tunnelers, or farmers? I think the first time is always sweaty. Oh, for sure, yeah. Best DVD Jumpscare, thank you so much for the raid. My bad, I totally messed up that sentence. Thank you so much for that. Welcome on in, raiders. Thank you, Brad, for all the shout-outs. Are you gonna log into my account and get the mask? No, you can do it. I know you can do it. I need to. This is gonna be a hard tome. Why I say that is because I want to get Hattie's outfit, and we have to do community things, so that'll take some time. But Monday, I'll probably. We'll have more time for sure. So. On Monday, we'll probably go to the next community challenge, depending on if it's not done, blah, blah, blah. Move on, try and get Hattie's bottom here and stuff like that. But we're not even going to look at the current tome. I don't really care. New tome's out, I don't care. You're playing Naruto Shinobi Striker. Ooh, may I ask what that is? Like, what kind of game is that? Because I have never heard of that. I hope you had a wonderful stream, though. I am ending, just to let you know, I am ending. I'm just kind of hanging out for a few minutes because I didn't get to hang out at the beginning of the stream as much. And kind of going over all the things we got today. But thank you so much for the raid, and welcome on in, raiders. If you guys don't know who I am, my name is Scarlett. I'm a Dead by Daylight streamer. Normally on Fridays we play variety streams, but because we have a special event going on in Dead by Daylight and it's very limited, it's only till the end of the month. They may extend it, just saying, but currently it only goes through the end of the month, and I want to try and get everything from the event, meaning all the Masquerade masks, and then I want to get everything in the current Twisted Masquerade tome that I can unlock, like this, and this. And then level 2 opens in 5 days. So I need to get to the end somewhere. So I need to work on that really hard. But we'll do that on Monday, because today we got done with this, and we'll have a lot more time on Monday. Really quick, I'm gonna go look at the other ones we got over here just to see them. Oh yeah, Demogorgon. I don't like shred attacks. I'm bad at that. Can I please get a survivor one? I never get a survivor one anymore. Oh, okay. It's an online version of Naruto. Okay. They should extend it. There's been in the past that they have. I'll just put it that way. I can't say that guaranteed they'll always do that, but past events, it's been a trend that they do extend from time to time. So we'll just kind of have to wait and see. Last year's event was extended, I think, a week. I couldn't say if any of the other ones were extended a week or not, but they have very good tendency to get extended. Black Cat, hello! Thank you so much for the follow. Welcome on into our town. Oh, gotcha. Okay, my test came in, so I thought I would share that with you in a message later. Okay, gotcha. I'll definitely read that later. I'm going to get off right now here in just a few seconds. I'm just going to kind of hang out for a second, and then I will probably go back and get on Discord, because I was bad and forgot to get on it when I got home. I was on it while I was out, like when my mom was at her appointment, and I was just kind of hanging out. I was on it, but I haven't got on it since. Who did we get? Oh, Artist. Also, if you guys want to join the Discord as well, we have a Discord. If you guys want to join, I am on there from time to time. I might not be on there long tonight, just because I'm tired. I'm probably gonna go lay down after this, or at least, you know, go relax. But if you guys want to join the Discord, it is open for all to enjoy. I'm part of the raid. Well, welcome on in, and thank you so much for the follow. I like the artist's mask. That is beautiful. That is so beautiful. Why'd the sub raid not work? Well, you can try. You can try pushing sub raid again in a minute, Brad. I don't know why it didn't work. What was the other one? Trickster. Ooh, his is cool. I like this outfit better because, you know, like open shirt for the win. But the Masquerade definitely goes better with that mask. I mean, his is so good. Okay. But that's what we did today. So we ended up getting Tricksters, Artists, Janes, Elodies, and Yuis, and got through only... I gotta read this real quick. I might have got gypped on one, but I'm not sure. Claim an invitation and hunt down your victims, or survive until an exit gate opens to unlock a new Masquerade themed cosmetic. So that one match, why did I not get one? I was technically still alive. I was on hook. Exit gate opened. I think I had my invitation. And then only reason I died was because everybody, oh no, the last, I think it was a Claudette, I'm not positive, but got hooked, and so it caused the game to end, but I didn't get nothing! It's okay, it's whatever. I got plenty of time, and I've got almost half of the event done, meaning mask-wise. But we'll work on the tome on Monday, because I need to go rest. I am getting very sleepy. But thank you guys so much for joining me today. It was a very short stream. It was only almost 3 hours, but it was 2.5 hours-ish, and that was only because I wasn't home earlier in the day, and I could not wait until Monday to see all this, and I did not want to get that late of a start either, because it's a very limited event. It only goes for a couple weeks, and I really want to finish the tome for it. I don't think we'll have a problem getting the last, 7? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 masks in that time, so I'm not worried about that. But I really want Hattie and Dredge's outfits, so Monday we'll start working on that tome, see what's on the community part, and then also work our way through the bottom. And probably on Monday get back to our normal Survivor Until We Survive, go play Killer. The killer we survive against. I don't think I'll do what I did today and play only who I get masks of. I'll just play our normal rotation. I have to log back in because I gotta go do something. But whoever's after, Jeff. Jeff is after Adam, so we'll go play as Jeff. But thank you. Oops, I didn't put this up for you guys, so not an empty spot there on the screen. But thank you guys so much for joining me today, even if it was a short stream. I appreciate you all. Thank you, Best DVD jump scare for the raid. I appreciate that. I'm sorry that I am ending right after a raid, but my head's starting to hurt because I'm getting kind of sleepy and everything. But I appreciate you all so much, and let's go find someone to raid. I have an idea. Let me see how long they've been on. It's been a while since we've... Oh, you know what? No, wait. I've changed my mind. Wait. Because this person's not normally on the time I'm on. And I'm a little bit later. So I'm gonna go raid this person because I don't normally get to raid them. They're normally at work when I'm finishing. So we're gonna go raid them. For sure. They're an awesome person. They were here earlier. They might even still be lurking. But we're going to go give them all the love. So, thank you so much for the hugs, Brad. If you guys want to stick around for the raid, I would greatly appreciate it. We're going to go give Shy Guy all the love. He's currently playing Fortnite. He does play Dead by Daylight, but he plays Fortnite, Dead by Daylight, that other game, Valorant. He plays Valorant as well, and we're going to give him all the love and support because he is an amazing part of our community, and we love him. If you are subbed to the channel, you may copy-paste the second raid command that was in chat. If you are not subbed to the channel, the first one works just as good, and it shows the same amount of love. And like I said, we're going to go raid Shy Guy, and he's also a VTuber as well. If you guys like VTubers, just saying, he is one. and then we're gonna give him some love, and he is playing Fortnite. So again, thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. I appreciate you all sticking around with me today for the short amount that I was here, and also through just, you know, a good day. You guys stuck around, and I appreciate that. You guys could have said, she's on late, I'm gonna go do something else later, but I appreciate you guys all so much, and thank you so much for the subs, follows, the raids, and everything. You guys are amazing. I'll be back Monday, more Dead by Daylight, and back to what we'll normally be doing. But for now, I'm gonna go relax and rest because I'm getting sleepy, and I appreciate you all so much. Have a wonderful weekend. I will see you guys all very, very soon, and bye-bye.